Hello kids, good morning. I hope you all are doing well. So today you are going to learn subtraction with regrouping, okay? How to do this, why we need to do regrouping, you all will learn this important concept today. So be with me and listen to me carefully, kids. So you can see here, kids, I have written this number 34 and 18. So we are going to subtract 18 from 34. So first of all, you need to carefully write that digits on correct place. Okay, kids. So in 34, 4 will be written on ones place and 3 will be written on tens place. Okay. So because this is a bigger number, so it will be written on the top, and 18 will be written here. Like 8 you will write on ones place and 1 will be written on tens place. Okay. Now tell me, can you subtract 8 ones from 4 ones? No, no. So for that you need to regroup. You need to borrow. Okay. So from where you will borrow? You will borrow that bigger value which has like we have 3 tens here. Okay. So 3 tens can give borrow to this 4 ones. Now kids, look on the other side, right hand side. These are 3 strips you can see. Okay. So these 3 strips, one strip represents 1 ten. Okay. So 3 strips, there are 3 tens, means 30. Okay kids. And these are small size of blocks. There are 4 blocks and 1 block represents ones. 1 ones. Okay. So we have 4 ones. So I have written this 34 in this way. 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay kids. You can see here 3 tens, 4 ones we have. Okay. So now we are going to subtract 18, means we have 1 ten and 8 ones from this 3 tens and 4 ones. Okay. So as I told you, we cannot subtract this 8 ones from 4 ones. Okay. Because 4 is smaller than 8. So what will you do? You will regroup this 1 ten into 10 ones. Okay kids. So I will change this 1 ten. So as you can see, this 1 ten has 10 parts. Okay. So now I have already 4 ones. So what will I do? I will use here these 10 ones. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, just wait, and 10. Okay. So we had these 3 tens. Okay. So 1 ten we used to make 10 ones. Okay kids. Now we have how many ones? We have 14 ones. Okay. So we have here 14 ones. Okay. We used 1 ten from here. So 2 tens left with us. Okay. So I have cut 4 and I have written here 14 and I have written here 2 in place of 3. Now, so we have 14 ones. Now kids, you can easily subtract 8. Okay. From 14. So what will I do? I will remove these 8 ones from 40 ones. Then we will check how many ones left with us. Okay. So I will remove 8 ones from here. 1, 2, then 3, 4, okay, 5, 6, 7 and 8. See, kids, I have removed 8 ones from 14 ones. Now how many left? You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. So on ones place we will write here 6. Clear? So it's very easy. If you will calculate and you will regroup tens into ones, you can find your answer easily. Okay, step by step. Now, how many tens we have left? So here you can see two tens and we have one ten. So we need to subtract one ten from two tens. What will I do? I have two tens. I will remove one ten from here. Okay kids, I have removed one ten from there. How many 10 left? Only one 10 left. So I will write down here 1. Okay. So I had two tens. Then from two tens I need to subtract 110. So I removed 110 and 110 left with me. So I have written here 110. Clear? So our answer is 16. Means we have 1 tens and 6 ones. Clear? So our answer is 16. So in this way you can subtract easily with regrouping. So this is why we need to learn regrouping, because if the upper number is smaller than the lower number, like ones place digit we had 4 here, and below this 4 it had 8, so we could not able to subtract, so we needed to regroup. So in this way you can solve this method. So regrouping is very helpful to do this kind of subtraction. Okay kids, I hope you understood this concept. Thank you so much.